Protection shelter. This sign points to a designated protection or shelter area, used during severe weather, chemical incidents, or other emergencies. Move here for safety when alarms or instructions direct you. Door opens by pushing on the left-hand side. This indicates that the door opens when pushed on the left side, often found in public buildings and emergency exits. Follow the symbol to open the door quickly in an evacuation. Door opens by pushing on the right-hand side. This shows that the door must be pushed on the right side to open. Seen on escape routes and emergency exits, push in the indicated area to avoid delays during evacuation. Evacuation temporary refuge. This marks a safe waiting point for people who cannot evacuate quickly, found in multi-story buildings, hospitals, and large public spaces. Stay here until help or assisted evacuation arrives. Emergency hammer. This sign shows where an emergency hammer is stored for breaking glass. Common on buses, trains, and secured buildings. Use it only in emergencies to escape through marked windows. Emergency exit for people with walking impairment, left. This indicates an emergency exit designed for people with mobility impairments, located on the left, found in accessible public buildings. Follow it for a safer, easier evacuation route.